What's up everyone, I'm Adam and welcome to Visiting Creatures. Today I'm going to do a little bit something different, straying away from what I'm trying to make this channel about, but I haven't been able to get out on any adventures lately. But today I received in the mail my Bonafide SS127 upgrade kit for the chair. So I'm going to go ahead and install that, and hopefully this helps anybody who has to do the same. So here's what comes in the kit. Some instructions, a left and a right plate, some screws, and a double-headed 1/8" drill bit. So let's get started. So the instructions say to take this bracket and hold it up tight against it like this and kind of line it up right here, make it even. And it says to drill this one and this one first. So let's get started. Alright. And it says to not use a drill to thread these screws in, because the hole is actually smaller than the screw itself. You definitely don't want to over tighten these. As soon as you feel it start to grab, just stop. And it says to drill this one. And do the same thing over here. Sorry, had some plastic stuck inside there. Alright, then it says to, after you get those two set, then it tells you to drill the rest of the holes and screw them all in. That's it for this side. Here we go. Now, they say this won't void your warranty, and this actually becomes part of the hall warranty once it's installed. Well, that's it. Sorry about all the sweat. It's hot in here. So, let's see how it fits. I'd say it works pretty good. Seat back position. Well, that was it for the install. Hope you guys found it useful. If you did, please smash that like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.